How to redeem a gift card on Roblox. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's card video I will simply show you how you can redeem a gift card in Roblox app or your website. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. If you would like to redeem your Roblox gift card, what you need to do is to just go ahead and then first open up your browser, and then you simply want to go to roblox.com. Now I'll also make sure to drop this link directly in the description box. Go to roblox.com. If you're using from browser, you have to choose the option called continue in browser from the bottom. If you're using from app, similarly you'll see this same interface after you are logged into your account. Now whether you're on app or whether you're on browser, after you log in you have to tap on the three lines which is at the very top left hand side, as you can see. So just tap on the three lines icon, and here at the bottom you'll find the option that says gift cards. So just go ahead and tap on that one. As you tap on the gift cards option over here, you'll be able to shop different types of gift cards for your Roblox account. But what we want to do is we want to tap on the redeem option from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the redeem option from the top right hand side, you'll see this page over here that says to redeem Roblox codes, and this is the exact page that we want to use in order to redeem our Roblox codes. You want to go ahead and enter your gift card, your virtual item, or your promo code right over here in this box, and then just tap on the redeem button. Once you tap on the redeem button right over here, you'll be able to go ahead and successfully apply those in your game as well. That's all it takes to redeem your Roblox gift card. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.